10 habits that program you for poverty. Doing a job you hate. A job should be stable, even if it's low paying, even if it doesn't bring satisfaction. The main thing is stability. With such thoughts, you will never get rich. It is necessary to do what brings you the most satisfaction, not what someone else needs. Only this way can you achieve high results. 2. Fear of change. People with a poverty mindset will never start their own business, will not explore new market segments, will not pursue a second higher education at 40, and will not move to another city in search of a new life at 50. Wealth and good prospects open up to active people who are not afraid to take risks and start anew. 3. Envy. This destructive feeling not only prevents you from enjoying life, but also programs you for poverty. Constantly comparing yourself to others wastes precious time and energy that could be directed toward achieving your own plans. 4. Low self-esteem. How can you have high self-esteem if you are merely surviving, uninteresting work that you are afraid to lose, a lack of vivid impressions in life, changes of places, and justified risks? 5. Self-pity. Habits of poverty begin with continuous self-pity and lamenting an unfair fate. Wrong parents, wrong luck, wrong income, wrong education, wrong apartment, and the weather is wrong too. 6. Neglecting relationships with people. 88% of wealthy people believe that building relationships is crucial for financial success. 7. Preferring TV to books. Over 80% of wealthy people do not watch TV at all. Instead, they focus on books about self-development, marketing, management, etc. 8. Hiding in the comfort zone. If you try to take a step out of your comfort zone every day, it will expand. If not, it shrinks along with our lives. 9. Spending more than you earn. I thinks, no need any explanations, valuing everything in monetary terms. Sociologists say that only poor people start counting material values in response to the question, what do you need for happiness? People with high incomes usually mention true love and strong friendship. A truly successful person does not fixate on material wealth.